then it's worth it. Ooh, it's heavy. Wow, that looks really cool. Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really cool unboxing for a new product that I haven't even opened yet, and I'm really excited about this. This light therapy device we're reviewing today is the Spectra 78 by FliKEZE. Here is the box. I myself really enjoy red light LED. I use it in a mask and I have used a panel before. This is a panel. This is more than just your face. It will treat skin on your face, but of course from head to toe also. Panels like these are often used in a fitness context, in a recovery context, or overall well-being / mood improvement even. This is a light therapy device with medical grade LEDs, and it's got a lot of really great features which we'll go over. In this instance, I understand what it can do, I understand how it's made, and so I'm excited to get my hands on it and unbox it. And I want to mention, for those of you who decide you might want to get one of these for yourself, I have a discount code that you can use to get 10% off. Full disclosure, I make a commission off of every sale. I so appreciate all of your support. For everybody who buys, please also follow up with me because I love to connect about the things that I enjoy using and I want to know how it's going for you too. Thank you to everybody who does support me in that way. I want to disclose that. And I'm really excited to be able to show you really cool products like this. So please do save some money if you're going to get this because it is pricey. But like with anything, you just have to do a cost-benefit analysis. And if the benefits far outweigh the cost, then it's worth it. This isn't just girl math, it's real math. They teach you in school. Ooh, it's heavy. Oh, cool. Wow, that looks really cool. High irradiance, that's my jam. Thank you for purchasing FliKEZE. Your journey to wellness starts here. Ooh, this is looking sharp. It feels heavy. It feels like a solid 10 pounds. That's what it feels like. I'll actually put how much it weighs here. Here's what it's looking like. Here we have the manual. I like that everything is protected with this foam. They made sure nothing's gonna happen to this while it's in transportation. That's very good. This foam is legit. Not sure what these are called. Bolts. Something. We've got some eye protection, some more eye protection, a slightly different style. I like that there's a preference alternative there. Some people are going to want to wear glasses and some might want the tiny little eye ones that are kind of a throwback to tanning beds, if you remember those. Then we have this nice big cable and an even bigger cable power cord. I know that this has high irradiance and high power. I always look for these because this indicates it doesn't just run on a tiny little cord, but it actually needs some serious power. I like that. And now, of course, the actual panel. Oh, wow. It's pretty. It's not pretty, it's sleek. It's, well, look, you describe it with me. Oh yeah. Wait, so you could, I shouldn't do this without reading the manual. Hold on. Okay, I just got the power cord plugged in. This stand is really sturdy. I just got it together and at an angle that I think is reasonable. It's adjustable, but it is super sturdy. So unless you choose to adjust it, it's not gonna wobble or go everywhere, which I really like. Here's the power bank, and this doesn't have to be right beside it. This can be a little bit further down or on the floor. I just wanna do a quick demo. This has the little remote on the side here, and it has a display that says off right now because it is off. If I turn it off entirely, you can't see the display at all, but if I turn it on, it says off, and then I can press play, and it will automatically go to 5 minutes. It's got red and near infrared light, but I just tapped blue, and so that started the blue light, and it will automatically start with 5 minutes, but you can make it go for more, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and then back down to 5 minutes. And the blue light in this will kill bacteria, so it's great for skin and acne. Consider that this can be used for the back. It can be used for body acne also, because this can reach a large enough surface area. And this light is also used to improve your mood, which is very cool. And this panel has red light, which is responsible for a myriad of benefits, a vast array. Not only could this help with the firmness of your skin, the brightness of your skin, it can also help with things like your circadian rhythm, helping you have better sleep at night, which is really beneficial, of course, beyond aesthetics. Then it has near infrared light, which is red, but it is not as visible or completely visible to the eyes. And this is really great for muscle recovery, wound healing. I always recommend with any device, any product, it is really important to look at the thing and say, am I going to be able to use this thing? If you've been wanting to get red light therapy into your routine, but you cannot see yourself actually cleansing your face and then putting a mask on for 5 to 20 minutes daily, but instead you see a window of opportunity where you could have this turned on and the light could make contact with your skin, and that feels like something more regular that you could do. I highly recommend a panel like this for that reason, because it is so easy to use. If you're looking to get those additional benefits and you want something more powerful, this has medical grade LEDs. This is something you can sit on a countertop and become part of your routine, whether you are eating, whether you're getting ready, getting dressed, and then start to track and mark what it is that you're trying to treat, whether it be skin concerns or sleep quality. And I want to add, if you are lifting weights, if you're going to the gym, if you are getting sore at the gym at all, this is a very, very, very good investment, because it really helps to recover your muscles and gets you feeling a little bit better sooner so that you're able to stay on your program and you're not like stiff, you know? Magnesium's good for that too. There's many things you can do. Of course, stay hydrated, but this is something when I've been consistent in the gym and I've been using a panel, I have absolutely noticed a difference. So with all of that said, I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. Check out the link in my description. That's going to get you 10% off, as well as the link to shop, which will also give you 10% off your order. And if you're looking for something to watch next, click on my channel and check out all my videos. I have so many on red light, but I also have a lot of beauty videos on hair and skin and makeup and stuff. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.